Hello, my wonderful Brazilian friends. My name is Dr. Andy Ho. I'm the head of psychology and associate professor of psychology at Nanyang Technological University in Singapore. I'm honored and delighted to be the keynote speaker for the upcoming CEFI FACEFI International Congress to be held in Porto Alegre from May 23rd to 26th. During the conference, I'll be giving a pre-conference experiential workshop on mindful compassion art-based therapy, MCAT, an innovative and highly effective intervention that serves to nourish mental health and build sustainable resilience for healthcare professionals like yourself. And at the main congress, I'll be presenting on the crucial global public health topic of dignity at the end of life. How can we develop and render compassionate care for dying patients and bereaved families in the face of loss and mortality? I will be introducing to you a new psychotherapy called Family Dignity Intervention, FDI, which has been proven through a vigorous randomized control trial to be most effective in improving quality of life, hope, and spiritual well-being of terminally ill patients. And at the same time, it can reduce caregiver burden and depressive symptoms among caregivers while also elevating the holistic wellness in the face of grief and bereavement. I can't wait to see all of you in Brazil, and I look forward to be part of the festivities. See you all soon.